A sloth's fur isn't just fur. It's a garden. A living, breathing garden that moves slowly through the trees. Inside this garden lives an entire hidden world. Algae that paints the sloth green. Moths that are found nowhere else on Earth. Fungi that scientists are now studying for medicine. And the most surprising part? The sloth doesn't just carry this garden. It grows it on purpose. If you look at a sloth's hair under a microscope, you see something unexpected. It's not smooth. It's covered in tiny cracks and grooves that run along each strand. These cracks do something remarkable. They catch and hold water from the humid rainforest air. And where there is water, life begins. Algae moves in first. A particular species called Trichophilus, a name that means hair-loving, settles into these grooves. And slowly, the sloth's brown fur turns a soft, dappled green. This is not an accident. The sloth's hair is built for this. But algae needs more than water. It needs nutrients. And this is where the story takes an unexpected turn. Deep in the sloth's fur live moths. Not one or two, sometimes more than 100. They are born in sloth's fur. They feed in sloth's fur. They spend their entire lives in sloth's fur. Once a week, the sloth does something extraordinary. It climbs all the way down from the canopy to the forest floor. A slow, careful journey down the trunk. And it poops. This is the moment the moths have been waiting for. They crawl from the fur onto the fresh droppings and lay their eggs. The larvae feed on the sloth's waste. They grow. They become moths. And they fly back up into the trees to find a sloth of their own. But the moths leave something behind. Their droppings are rich in nitrogen. And nitrogen is exactly what the algae needs to grow. Now the circle is complete. The sloth's fur catches the rain. The algae paints the sloth green, hiding it among the mossy branches, invisible to the harpy eagle circling above. The moths feed the algae, and the algae feeds the sloth, nutrients absorbed right through its skin. It's a mobile ecosystem. A tiny rainforest carried on a single animal's back. And there is one more detail. Sloths don't produce body odor. Their fur smells like the jungle itself, like wet leaves and green moss and the living earth. To a predator hunting by scent, a sloth doesn't smell like an animal at all. It smells like a tree. It smells like home. Small creatures, quiet partnerships, invisible threads. A sloth moves through the world not alone, but carrying an entire community on its back.